Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Twitter or X age verification problem. Alright, so let's begin. So, in order to fix the age verification problem on X or Twitter, you have to follow these steps. First, open the X app on your device. Once the app opens, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Profile to open your profile page. After that, tap on Edit Profile. Inside the Edit Profile section, find the birth date option and tap on it. Now update your birth date and make sure it shows that you are at least 13 years old or older depending on your region. Once you enter the correct birth date, save the changes. Next, go back and tap on your profile again. Now, select Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on your account and then select Account Information. If X requires additional verification, you will see a verification prompt on this page. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload a valid government-issued ID along with a selfie to confirm your identity. This helps X verify your age and unlock any features that may be restricted. Also, make sure your email address is verified. If it is not verified yet, complete the email verification process right away, as this can also help resolve the issue. After completing these steps, the age verification error on X should be fixed, and that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Twitter or X age verification problem. So that's all for this video.